Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in another video, guys, I will be showing you how you can make your Facebook account to be private or how you can hide your post on your Facebook. Guys, as you can see, this is a Facebook profile. This is my Facebook profile. So here we have many posts and these posts are private. Today I will be showing you how you can make your Facebook profile to be private. So please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to make your Facebook account to be private. So guys, here we're going to get started, and the first thing you're going to be doing, you have to make sure that your Facebook account is up to date. And how do we update our Facebook account? You just have to open your you have to open your Play Store or App Store, and then you have to search for Facebook. So guys, once you search for Facebook, this is my Facebook, and guys, here is already updated. So you have to make sure that your Facebook is updated. So after you update your Facebook, here you have to open your Facebook app. I will be using the main Facebook app today for the sake of this video. So please, just as I said earlier, you have to make sure that your Facebook is up to date. So after then, you have to click on this three dot by your right hand side. So you click on it like this, and then you have to scroll down below. You scroll down below, and then down below we have settings and privacy. Here we click on settings and privacy. So under settings and privacy, we click on settings sorry under settings and privacy. Here we click on settings, and then we wait for it to load. Then we have to scroll down below. But guys, please, before I show you how to use this trick, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright guys, here we have to scroll down, and then we have to locate your activity. So under your activity, here we have manage your Facebook activity. In some other Facebook activity, you see your activity log, but my Facebook is already updated. That is why it's showing manage your Facebook activity. If you cannot find it here, you can also click on search bar in order to search. So guys, let's go directly. So we click on manage your Facebook activity. So under manage your Facebook activity, here we have manage your post. So here we click on manage your post. This is the first step I will be showing you today. I will be showing you different steps on how you can be able to make your Facebook account or your Facebook profile to be private. All right guys, here we have to click on this box here. We have to mark it all. So guys, as you can see, after we have marked all, here we have to click on this change audience. We have to click on this change audience. This particular method will help us to hide all posts on our Facebook profile. This method will help us to hide all our posts on our profile. So guys, here we click on change audience, and then we wait for it to load for just few seconds, and then after then you have to click on only me. You have to click on only me. So guys, you click on it like this, and then you have to click on change. You click on change like this, and then this will take a little seconds or few seconds in order to load. So guys, in order to confirm if this has worked, here we will have to go back to your profile. You have to go back to your profile. So guys, here we go back like this, and here I will click on my profile. So guys, if you click on your profile, here you have to click on this three dot icon by your right hand side. So you click on it like this, and then here we click on view as. So guys, this is how your friends will see your Facebook profile. This is how your friends will see your Facebook profile. Guys, as you can see, all these posts are for posts that were tagged. All these posts were posts that were tagged. So guys, as you can see, you can also refresh to get the original result. So guys, as you can see, we have hide our post, and all these posts you are seeing here are only posts that you were tagged in. Alright guys, the second method I will be showing you today, here we have to also go back to our settings. So we click on the three dot by your right hand side. So you scroll down, and then here you have to click on settings and privacy again. I will be showing you the second method, and then under settings and privacy, here you click on settings again. So guys, here we wait for it to load, and then we have to scroll down. Then we have under audience and visibility, here we have to click on post. Under audience and visibility, we click on post, and then we have limit who can see your post. So you click on limit who can see your post, and then here we have limit your post. So guys, once you click on it, and then once you click on this limit who can see your post, guys, as you can see, it's already loading. And then guys, as you can see, we have limit who can see your post, and then nobody can be able to see who is, nobody can be able to see your post on your Facebook. So guys, this is how you can be able to activate or make your Facebook to be private. This is how you can be able to make your Facebook to be private. So please, if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Please, if you want us to make a content about a particular topic, please drop your comment on the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.